It used to be the case, at least when I was a kid centuries ago, that that post-secondary education equaled usually a four-year college degree, and then you got a job, and that was where you were headed. But that's not the case anymore, is it, Chancellor?
You're absolutely correct. Several years ago, career and technical education, and many people might remember it formally as vocational education. Vocational education prepared students to go into one specific area, and they really did not have the opportunity to move into different career opportunities. Career and technical education focuses on a career. It prepares a student with a broad set of skills that allows that student to move into many different directions, because right now there are students out there who are entering elementary school who, quite honestly, are preparing for careers that don't currently exist.
Wow. Can you give some examples?
Well, as I said,
they don't exist yet.
Yes.
What are the skills that we're looking for there?
Well, you want to make sure that these students, again, have those basic core technology types of skills, whether it's in coding, whether it's having the basic skill set in working the different operating systems, in technology and related to computers. If they have that basic set of skills and that basic knowledge set, well, when they move into those higher level industry certifications that might become available, they have what they need to be successful. And in turn, as they graduate, move on to post-secondary education, they're prepared, they're ready.